Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable or how to get face tracking on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to click on three dot. Now you have to go to in settings. Now go to in privacy. Once you're in the privacy, now you have to tap on uh, this camera permission here. Click on it to enable it. So after enabling it, you can see that it will Roblox will use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So green dot shows that the indicates that the Roblox is using your camera, and the red dot indicates the Roblox is using your or recording your audio. So once you enable this option, uh, now you can open any game that supports camera as permission, and in that game you can do face tracking easily. Let's open this game. Please donate because this game supports face tracking. So let's open it. Now once you open the game, guys, now you to enable face tracking you just need to tap on the video icon at the avatar side. Just click tap on it and you will get the face tracking feature on Roblox. So let me tap on it and you can see that the green dot is showing in the face cam, and as I'm moving my head it is syncing with my avatar. So if I say anything, it is syncing with my, as you can see I'm making lots of expression and it is syncing with my avatar. Let me zoom in to get more clarity. So as you can see, if I'm making a movement like O E, so it is syncing with me perfectly. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye.